Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain about e-waste management. Student, this management is mainly used for discarded part of electronic equipment like computer, mobile, TV, and other electronic equipment. And next is e-waste disposal process. E-waste is categorized by Government of India under the broad class of hazardous waste. Within e-waste, there are several categories such as large and small household appliances, electrical and electronic toys, and supporting equipment. And there are many compositions of e-waste like metal, non-metal, alloys, compounds such as copper, aluminum, gold, silver, palladium, platinum, nickel, and other substances. And there are many techniques for separating these things. First, dismantling, removal of the parts containing dangerous substances like CFC, HG switches, PCB. Removal of easily accessible part containing valuable substance like copper, steel, iron, precious metal. Segregation of ferrous metal and non-ferrous metal and the plastic. Using this technique we can easily separate metal, non-metal and the plastic. And next is refurbishment and reuse. Student, this is the technique for potential for those use electrical and electronic equipment which can be easily refurbished to put its the original use. Recycling, recovering of valuable materials, and using this we can easily recycling of waste materials. Treatment, disposal of dangerous material and the waste. Satellite fraction is disposed of in the landfill sites are sometimes incinerated. Chlorofluorocarbons are treated thermally. Printed circuit board is incinerated or disposed of in underground storage. Next topic is benefit of e-waste recycling. The e-waste disposal and proper recycling is very much necessary and important for the benefit of the people, environment and the nation. First, allow for recovery of valuable precious metals. Most consumer electronic contains valuable material like copper, gold, zinc that can and should be recycled. Protects protect public health and water quality. E-waste contains variety of the toxic substances which may include lead, mercury and cadmium. When e-waste is disposed into landfill, this toxin can be released into atmosphere or leak in through the land and have negative health and environmental effect. Create job. Recycling e-waste domestically create job for professional recyclers and refurbishers and creates new market for valuable components that are dismantled. Toxic waste. Mining produce toxic waste which are linked with the crop devastation and human health crisis due to the water contamination. Saves landfill space, and by using this e-waste material we can save landfill. Next is identity theft. The student identity theft means the process of thefting any person identity by using online. So this process is known as identity theft. In identity theft through phishing via your email account, stealing your online purchase information where you give some sensitive information such as your credit card information or your Aadhaar information. And by using this we 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 have to give information like credit card fraud, change your personal information, phone or utilize fraud, bank finance fraud, other frauds. Protection against identity theft. First, protect personal information. The student, we should not give our personal informations on the publicly. If it is needed, then we have to give some important information, and we have to try not disclose other non-essential information. Use unique ID to protect your device and the accounts. And if we are using any equipment devices, so we should give the strong user ID and the passwords so that other user can't guess and hack our user ID and the passwords. Use biometric protection. Biometrics are any metrics related human physical features such as your voice, waves, hands, fingerprints, earlobes, retina patterns, iris patterns, DNA. Modern age computing devices like smartphone provides biometrics protection such as fingerprint logging or face detection technology. So by using this biometrics protection, we can protect equipment, our equipment, our devices. Next topic is gender issue while teaching or using computers. The student, this gender issue is mainly used in society, schools, and other places also. Gender issues like suppose that I am teacher of the computer, and we are only increasing a student to take computer subject in the class 11th and 12th, and I am not appreciating any girl child to take computer science, and not increasing, not increase the girls student, that this subject is very essential and very job oriented in your life. So that means we are we are not promoting towards the girl childs. So this is gender issues in teaching. Lack of interest, and there are many factors for gender issue. First, lack of interest. Next, lack of motivations, lack of role models, and lack of encouragement in the class. So this is the issues for gender issues, not girls friendly work culture. And if we are saying or telling students, if you are doing computer science and if you find any jobs related to computer, so that environment is not suitable for girls. So this is also a gender issue. Student, this time there is not gender issues like in any field, and being a teachers, being a good man, and being a good fathers, we have the responsibility to remove such type of the gender issues in the society. Possible solution. What is the possible solution? The issue listed above are not intentionally created, hence they need different types of handling. There should be more initiative and program that encourage girls to take up computer science subject. Presently, there are many initiatives supported by government and run by many technical giant to encourage more girls to take up computer science subject. The film and the TV censor board should ensure fair representation of the female role models. In the practical room, girls should be encouraged more to work on the computer on their own, and we have to also pay attention on girls. They 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 should do their work properly and more interested for doing the practical works. The students, I will discuss next topic in the next video. Bye.